nengana ya gwichania kurwase chinsemo chia gisima county ya Nyamira namone kinyoro kya Nyangongo ase nyagosira Isra Obiero anyaka kwa ni gwaritu kuria rero Obiero niganya toka bagosira mu bwae kubatikana muno buroire bwa cancer onyoboigo Obiero niganya toka bagosira mu rugyoye emyaka ebere yaitire abantu abange nigobekirana asomo igo komweni ya nyagosira Isra Obiero bakoragwamo n'umukonyi mu gavana we county ya Kisii homosike ose umurugi bo mugavana abwe county ya Kisii Mei Arati unagotumwe ulikito Daniel Ontiri
oyo mo haso yonde niko banyara libaga lyo kuligirira muberoye na komwa masikani yo mwelio abande barasi mitandao yekerero masemo kubatekana nobuya nobosani bwae chinga kikonye cancer stage ya kane tarabutura ubugimo bwaye mubasokano kale emyaka 35 nyagosira Ezra Obiero nigaye nigwa hase nkayae hase kenyero kya Nyakongo ekegotoka gisima hase county Nyamira asomoiga wikirenwa no mubaro monene wobomenyi abairi nabasani nabarayi bage siasa na ulenge bwa maliga mange
amodetera ni agante binga anko toswaru bosoku bo kwana na inche amangana yenyomo gona gochorete ontebya manganonsi kabo musibole umbwatani nyangebya kabwatani abana benyangi nyansu Kagira ngamba menye myaka menge muri program esiraga asira at 35 years so painful bakire muslati namokoyone abantu ko bali twatiwe wa the Lord will take care of them oyo me size na berabe ya Ellen oyo nde size na berabe ya Israel abana balia kwa chito tobatira abana balia we will be visiting them in the name of Jesus.
Ezra nigabwatiriye umurugyoye Helen uyosirete bwo bwaye chinga kyarenge kokonywa konyoro mwana umwaka bwekire bubere na 2023 na nero tigarete kolenda abana atigirete binywerere abono batigire bale chintakana asomoiga asamasabo na matera byegwa libagali nene ensemo ye kanisa na saringe kole mirimo niko boigo bamubekera moga yubuye bwaye chinga kyarenge moyo na bamusabira umunguru abeko moyo ya sagaya.
I have fought a good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will reward to me on that day, not only to me, but to all who have longed for his appearing.
Uruji Ezra se miaka ya 35. He has been able to attract the masses. Uruji kibu Kristo wa okora. Uruji kibu Nyasaye bora akora. Age is not the issue. The issue is your connection with our friend Jesus Christ.
Asense mwende mumurumu abo nigateba iga.
I'm so heartbroken, but it breaks me more nikiona the innocence in Sifa and Len, who at the moment don't really understand much about kifo. But naomba muzidi kutuombea familia yetu ya Joseph Mugaka, because in the last 3 years tumepitia a very difficult phase. We lost Ellen, my sister lost the husband the following year, and now Israel is here gone. It's not easy for us. Rest in peace, my brother. I will always love you. Good night.
Aseberere biga okubolia ne gukwabe kwa serikali kuligia na kubeka mirobelyo emikirano yokorwania burere bwa kansa bunenchiremo yogakania amakweli angabunaiga gochasa matukali bosio nkuri baterega tasene kyagatembe kurega se county Nyamira literane nguruko Daniel Ontiri.